I'm a believer that in the coming years, electricians, MEP workers, which is mechanical, electrical, plumbers, HVAC workers, they're going to be in such demand just from the whole AI boom. But if we go to their electrical segment right here, which is where they do their MEP work, that's up 72% year over year to a new record. This growth right here is the best part. I mean, that's insane growth. It's becoming a bigger portion of their business, and their main business, their mechanical segment, is up 25%. After grew 39, after grew 25. But check out the top line growth. That's insane. So when we blend those two together, the total revenue, the sales are up 35. So the revenue is up 35, but the net income is up by 99. Again, that's after they paid roughly 80 million of taxes. This is the after-tax net income number. So what does that mean when the revenue's up 35 and the net income's up 99? That means margin expansion. Their net margin went from 8% to nearly 12%, a 50% increase in the net margin. That just adds money to your bottom line. I love everything about this company. Their cash, or the free cash flow right here was a record, over 500 million of free cash flow. It's never even been close to that before. Everything in this company is headed in the right direction, beating on expectations like crazy. Analysts expected 2.15, they did 2.45. The EPS, which is net income, they expected 623, they did 825. So it really was a triple B quarter. They deserve to be at all-time highs. And check out how much they made. They made 291 million of net income this quarter. Again, like 500 million plus of free cash flow. But the dividend, their dividend only cost 17 million. No wonder they're raising it every quarter, because the dividend costs a little. They made 500 million of free cash flow just this quarter and 300 million net income. There is so much future room to raise the dividend to, like, I don't know, 50 million net income a quarter it'll eventually be. So there's so much future room for dividend growth. They're also a share buyback company. They don't do many share buybacks because the stock is so overvalued, but it's just at all-time highs. So everything about this company, in my opinion, is headed in the right direction.